Hi guys, praise God, praise Jesus. How are you? Trust you're doing fine and God has kept you safe and sound. Yes, this is Miss DUG from Kampala, Uganda. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new here, please don't hesitate to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video is just a simple, very simple video. On a lazy day, you have to make something to eat. Even when you don't have appetite, make something nice for your body to eat. So today we have fries here. We're going to make some fries, and we have breast chicken too. So we are going to make a simple lunch for today. Very simple video. You can also make it in your home, for your family, for your babies, for your husband, for your children, for anyone that deserves it. Okay, so let's enjoy as we watch. Okay, it's just a quick reminder, sorry for coming into your video as you're watching. Yes, it's just a quick reminder, whatever you see here, it's washed and cleaned. Okay, those fries, they're from that bag you saw, but I've just washed them. Whatever you're going to see, either the onions, either anything that is going to be seen in the video that is supposed to be washed, it is thoroughly washed. Okay, even our breast chicken, it's thoroughly washed. Okay, now for this cooking oil, don't ask me why this cooking oil is like this here. Guys, if you fry some things, do you throw away your oil? No, you shouldn't throw away your oil. Okay, you can use it for other things, all right, as long as it's not fish oil. Okay, so this oil, I used it to fry chicken. First it was used to frying chapatis. I think you saw the video. Then I used it to fry chicken. Now I'm just putting a little oil on our fries because I don't want soaked fries, like when you're eating those fries and they have oil, too much oil. I don't like it. So we are going to just put small cooking oil, yes, as you are seeing there. So let's just follow the steps as we learn. If you have anything to comment, please comment down in the comment section below, and just give a thumbs up to the video, or you can share to your friends. Yes, just tell me guys, how did we do it? Okay, does it look yummy already to you or not yet? Okay, so let's enjoy. For my breast chicken, I only added some chopped onions, and I added my garlic, I added salt, I added chicken reco. Okay, it's like a curry powder. Then I added some soy sauce, and then I added black pepper. That's what I added. Okay, then I had to put it to boil, as we are going to see in the video. have come to almost the end of our video, guys. Okay, this is the end of our video, and I have a question. Have you learned something? Have you ever made a special meal for yourself? Have you ever made this for yourself? Like, you're not going to a hotel, you're not going to a restaurant, you're not going to a cafeteria to serve you this. You can still make it at your home. Okay, if you don't have an air fryer, you can still use your pan and fry everything very well. Okay, so I just added some salads, that's cucumber, onions and tomatoes. That's it. So bye bye, let's catch up in the next video. I love you all. May God bless you.